Hi, my people. You are welcome once again. It's your girl Brani once again. Well, those who have not yet subscribed, guys, endeavor to always subscribe on my channel. Comment. Let me know where you commenting from, where you're watching from. Well, today we are going to look at how to prepare a sausage roll. You can call it whatever you want, guys. For me, I call it a sausage roll or a mixture of Irish and sausages. You do not need to miss out on this one, guys. We shall need Irish potatoes, oatmeal, 1 carrot, sausages, garlic powder, black pepper, Aromat. I'll use salt as Aromat. Eggs. I'm going to use 2. Cornstarch, cooking oil, and breadcrumbs. We break our eggs. Stir. Put in salt. We bring our Aromat. Put in some salt. Stir. Keep them aside. Oatmeal. I'm going to use 2. Get our grater. We peel our Irish potatoes. We light up our gas. So here we are going, this is the Irish, guys. We are going to boil it until it is very soft. We are going to put in salt salt. We can then cover and boil. When it's ready, we shall rinse out all the water, put in the bowl and smash it. Then this side, on our other fire, we are going to fry our sausages. Pour in cooking oil on our pan. That's enough. We keep turning. Cook on medium heat. Cook these sausages on medium heat. Guys, be careful. Wow. See that. We now can put out our sausages. As you can see, they are ready. Our Irish is also boiling. We are about to remove it. Our Irish is ready, as we can see. We are now going to smash it till when it is all smashed very well. Great. At this point, you make sure your fingers are very clean. We are now going to put in 2 spoons of corn flour, and then a pinch of black pepper, and then garlic powder, a pinch, now we can mix. It's time for me to use my fingers. We now bring our oatmeal, with the carrots, mix. See how that looks, guys? Looks lovely. Mix. Make the dough. Now we start rolling out our sausage rolls. You get a pinch of the dough, spread it, and then you roll out, mold the sausage. Nice, perfect. Pinch of the dough. Spread. Get sausage. Mold. Very nice, very simple to do, guys. Get it. Mold. Shape it. Mold. Mold. Lovely. You get our roll, put it into the eggs, nice and slowly. We now get our breadcrumbs. We are going to spread all over our rolls. Placing our rolls into the oil. I love the look already, people, guys. Hey, this and more on Fun Cooking with Brani, your girl Brani. See how it looks. We now can remove our rolls one by one. This is what I'm talking about. Well, time to test our roll. This is tasty, yummy, and delicious. Trust me, you will always love to wake up to the taste of this sausage roll. Guys, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Endeavor to always like, subscribe, and comment on my channel. Hit the bell button, guys. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.